day 8 of this Juleetcode challenge. I opened this up and immediately saw this was hard, and it's 11:30 at night again. So I don't know if my brain's going to be able to handle it, but we're going to try to code it. And you're going to hear my cat in the background. She already found her toy that I tried to hide. So let's jump right in, shall we? By the way, this is going to be problem number 2551, put marbles in a bag. And I'm going to be doing the solution in Python. So let's read this question. You have K bags. You are given a 0 indexed integer array weights, where weights I is the weight of the ith marble. You're also given the integer K. Divide the marbles into K bags according to the following rules. Okay. No bag is empty. If the I and J marble are in the bag, then the marbles with an index between I and J indices should also be in the same bag. If the bag consists of all the marbles with the index from I to J inclusively, then the cost of the bag is weights I plus weights J. The score after distributing the marbles is the sum of the cost of all of the K bags. Return the difference between the maximum and minimum scores among marble distributions. Okay, let's look at these. Okay, so we have the input weights, the output for, and the explanation. Okay. Thus we return their difference. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay. Distribution possible 1 and 3. Okay. Okay, so you're given K bags. No bag is going to be empty. Oh my god. I don't even know where to start. Okay, so let's think about it like this. We can think of splitting marbles into bags by placing a boundary. And we also should have something like a list where we have the paired weights. But so essentially the score of the bag is determined by the sum of the weights loosely. So we could, and this could be completely wrong. There's only 232 solutions to this. Oh my god, I'm so screwed. I can get hints though. I'm not gonna do hints. Just show you guys I haven't done anything yet. I don't want to read the editorial yet. I want to see if I can figure this out on my own. Okay, so what we could do is collect all the weights and collect all the weights of all the possible pairs. And maybe sort the pair weights array in ascending order. No bag. Then we could get the minimum score and the maximum score by summing the weights of the smallest and largest, and then return the difference of the maximum and minimum scores. That's my first intuition on how this should be done. But I'm not. Return the difference between the maximum and the minimum scores. And so we could start by doing like n equals the length of weights, and then do like a pair weights like list so we can store all of that in. And then we need to do something Let me write that down so I don't forget what I'm thinking in my head. So I could do something like this. It's that time of the night where I do everything wrong. And then here's where we'll keep that list. I feel like I'm psyching myself out a little bit with this. The bag consists of marbles from I to J inclusively. The cost of the bag is weights I plus weights J. Score after distributing the marbles is sum cost of K bags. Return the difference between the maximum. So let's collect the values of every pair of weights. So I think the best way I can think about doing that is like this. And then, oops. What a pair of weights. Maybe append. And then that would be weights I. And then I could do weights I minus 1. Because that would collect the value from every pair of weights. And then what did I say? Sort? I should probably sort them. So I could do pair weights dot sort. This is not going to be right. I can already tell. Oh my gosh. So then I want to find, I want to get the sum of this, of K minus 1 for the largest pairs. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. And then I will want to get the sum of K for the smallest pairs, or vice versa. So let's say for this, we're going to say max score equals. And then I'm going to do min score equals, because we already know this is going to be the sum. And then what we'll do at the end is, and I have no idea if this is going to work. This is going to be a miracle if it does. This is way too easy. I'm going to get this wrong. I need to read. Oh my god. Okay. Sum of, I'm going to say pair weights. Let's n minus K. And then for here, I think we should do pair weights K minus 1. There's no way. There's no way. No way. That's all my brain is giving me, you guys. This feels like this would make sense. I'm going to read this through one more time. You have K bags. This would get the largest sum of K minus 1. And then this would get the sum of K minus 1 in the smallest pairs. And then the difference, right? So max score minus min score. Okay. Look at this. collect the value of every pair of weights, sort the pair, this for the largest, this for the smallest. There's no way that this is hard. What I'm doing! I don't know what I'm doing! This feels wrong! I think this is wrong. We're just gonna run it. We're just gonna run it. How did that even... How? That's not hard! That's not hard! Whoever is labeling these, I need you to stop psyching me out. I almost cried. Okay, but it ain't shh if we don't submit. Guys, no way. No way. Dude. I am shocked right now. I am so shocked. I literally was like, okay, it's 11:30 now. I'm gonna stop at 12:30 because I saw it was hard. Let's look at this editorial. Oh, I should have looked at the editorial. What? Approach sorting. Let's start with a brute force approach. I'm like, I don't even know what to say right now. Okay, I'll let y'all read the editorial on your own time. My brain did not work like this. My brain's like, you know what sounds like fun right now? Flipping open your water bottle 3 times. That's what my brain said to me at that moment. Okay. That's their solution. Nice. Okay. Cool. So I also kind of want to see these solutions. I feel like 2 approaches are easy to understand. Avoiding extra computations. Guys, that just shooketh me to the core. I cannot believe that even worked. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped someone somewhere with this problem because my big brain can't handle it. Anyway, I will post this in my GitHub repo. The link is going to be down in the description of this video. You're more than welcome to fork and clone, make it better or make it worse. I don't really care as long as you're learning something and having fun. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.